Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Xclash Dare app crashing on iPhone. If the game keeps closing unexpectedly, try these quick fixes. First of all, go ahead and up X swipe up the Xclash away, then relaunch it. This clears temporary glitches. Now go ahead and open your app store and search for Xclash and update it to the latest version. Next, go ahead and hold power plus volume and slide to power off, then turn it back on to refresh system resources. Next, go ahead and open your settings app and then free up storage. Go to settings and then go to general and then click on iPhone storage and then scroll down, go to Xclash and then click on offload or delete the app. Privacy tip: only download Xclash from the official app store to avoid unsafe versions. Quick fix: if the crisis persists, turn off background app refresh and lower power mode before opening the Xclash. Contact Xclash support if the problem continues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.